Stoichiometry is the science of relationships between moles and grams. How does this relate to chemical reactions? Well, you can measure the weights of both products and reactants as well as their excess and limiting reactants. Pretty cool, right? Chemical reactions refers to the transformation of a set of chemicals into a separate compound. This is achieved through products and reactants and through balancing equations. Balancing equations tells you how many mole are essential in stoichiometry in developing mole-to-mole ratios and ensuring that an equation is balanced on both sides, preserving the conservation of matter.
How many grams of oxygen are produced in the decomposition of 5 grams of potassium chloride? Well, since you have the equation already, you gotta balance it. It will be 2 KClO3, 2 KCl, and 3 O2. First, you have to find the molar masses of all your products and reactants. To find the molar mass, add the atomic mass of each element. If there's a subscript after an element in the compound, multiply the atomic mass with the subscript. Potassium has 39.098 grams. Chlorine has 35.453 grams, and oxygen has 16, but since it's a subscript after oxygen, you need to multiply it by 3. And that should total 122.548. Now you also have to find the molar mass of oxygen, which is 16, but since there's a subscript after that, you need to multiply it by 2, which would be 32.
So everyone needs to get ready to clean everything, put back where you found it. Everything put back where you found it in the next 4 minutes.
Now, you start with 5 grams of potassium chloride, and you gotta convert that to moles. Mole divided by the molar mass of KClO3, which would be 122.548. Now you gotta convert that to moles of O2, which would be the molar ratio, which would be 3 moles of O2 over 2 moles of KClO3. Lastly, you have to convert the moles of O2 to grams of O2, which would be the molar mass of O2, which would be 32. Next, you cancel your units and you should end up in grams. You multiply everything divided by the bottom and you get 1.958 grams of O2.
For our experiment, we decided to demonstrate a chemical reaction by creating a volcano. We did this by combining varying ingredients to come up with the reaction, which was the foam that will be displayed at the end of this video. To create this project by yourself, you will need baking soda, warm water, vinegar, food coloring, a bottle, and detergent. Fill your bottle a little less than halfway with warm water and add food coloring. Shake until well combined and add a spoonful of detergent. Then, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the mouth of the bottle very carefully. Next, open your vinegar and pour it into the mouth of the bottle. To complete our experiment, we added an extra tablespoon of baking soda and sat back and watched the explosion.